So, Samsung just dropped their new A52. This is awesome.
Awesome screen, awesome camera, long lasting battery life.
Because it basically fixes every problem the A51 had. The A51 had 3 major problems really. The build was a little cheap, it didn't have water resistance, and its performance was really lacking. Build, honestly, that's not that big of a deal, but with this new A52, they've gotten a brand new design with this really small camera bump, and it's plastic, I think, still, but it's like a matte plastic, so it feels a lot nicer. And the normal A51 actually had plastic as well, but it was glossy, so it was very easy to scratch. And this time it's a matte plastic like the S21, so it's gonna feel a lot more premium. But I will miss that rainbow look of the A50 and the A51. They also added an IP67 dust and water resistance rating, which is awesome because now the SE doesn't really have anything to hold over other than maybe software and performance. But wait, there's more. This thing still keeps its headphone jack, has a 90 Hz display now with 4,500 milliamp hour battery, so 500 milliamps more than the previous generation, and it'll get 4 years of security updates. So this is just amazing. And performance is fixed because now, instead of having an Exynos processor, they have a Snapdragon 720G, and that is awesome. They finally got rid of the Exynos, and I think that was the biggest crippling point of the A51 last year. Now, the A52 virtually has no compromises. I think this will definitely be the best budget phone of this year. It's going to be the most popular Android smartphone, just like its predecessor. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.